Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT. Today I'm going to show you how to get the trial version of official Avira antivirus easily. So first of all, I'm going to Google Chrome, and on Google I'm just typing Avira Antivirus Trial, and the first source is Avira. Okay, it's loaded. Now scroll down and go to Avira Antivirus Pro and click download free trial. Okay, to download it, Avira Antivirus Pro is asking you to give your email address. Okay, I'm just simply inputting my email address and download. And it's saying that it has given a trial license to my mailbox, and I'm just going to my Gmail. Okay, as you can see, it's asking me to activate the product, accept and install. And asking me to set a password. I'm just going to take it from the browser. You can simply choose yours by typing. Okay, and now here we are going to install it, as we just want to get it as trial version, and it's for 30 days, and install. Okay, currently it is 4.35 MB in size, and I'm opening it. Agree and install, and it may take a little time to be downloaded fully and to be installed in your system, and so please wait patiently until it's done. Okay, it's done, and saying that great, you are all set, and let's run your first smart scan. Okay, I'm just not going to scan it. Remind me later. If you want, you can scan it. Okay, now as you can see that it is now totally installed in your system, and for 30 days you'll be able to use it properly as a pro version. Okay, and this is how you can simply download and install the trial version of Avira Antivirus Pro in your system, and can have a better security in your computer. Okay, and if I have a short glimpse here, you can see the status. Okay, then security, you can scan for viruses, production options, etc. Okay, software updater, firewall, and then privacy, etc. services, and one by one you have to use it and check all the things that it has. Okay, and that was the simple video of Joseph IT on downloading the trial version of Avira Antivirus Pro. I hope you liked it. If you did so, then please hit the like button, share your experiences, suggestion, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT if you have not. Your likes and comments inspire us to make more videos like this, and I hope you all will be with us. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.